The show is about to start. You have to show a look, have a look, or give a look. Faces, beautiful. No one ugly allowed.
A pleasant evening to each and everyone. I'm Rachel C. Polito. Representing realities, our advisor is Mrs. Rivera.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Franz Ivan Willo, representing Three Amities. That's all. Thank you.
My name is Maria Beatriz Shane B. Ramirez. I am Chris Hopper, 15 years old, advisor class. My advisor is Mr. Johnny Arago. Thank you.
I'm Kenneth B. Pango from Chris Hopper, by supervisor of Mrs. Janre Arago. Thank you.